Bullmore EQ-120, Heavy-Duty Industrial Transport. The Bullmore EQ-120 is capable of handling loads up to 25 tons, making it a giant among warehouse and industrial machines. It can reach speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour in just 5 seconds, powered by a 509 kilowatt induction motor. The machine features a cabin with anti-vibration systems, climate control, and a comfortable seat with a seatbelt for added safety. 3 driving modes, Eco, Power, and Boost, allow you to balance efficiency and power. With the My Bullmore diagnostic system, the machine is monitored in real time via GPS, tracking impacts and faults through the mobile network. Elphinstone WR810, essential for underground work. The Elphinstone WR810 is an essential machine for underground operations, efficiently cleaning hard-to-reach areas. It features an integrated water tank with a capacity of 8,000 liters and a pressure of up to 10.5 bars. The cannon is equipped with an 8-meter telescopic boom and hoses, all operated remotely for enhanced safety. For added protection, dust valves are located at the rear and sides. The cabin, which comfortably accommodates up to 3 people, is climate controlled. Powered by a 225 horsepower Cat C 7.1 engine and equipped with all-wheel drive, the WR810 is designed to navigate debris and control dust with a push of a button. Lissabach SF132, high-performance agricultural machinery. Lissabach has unveiled an upgraded model of its self-propelled plate press, the SF132. The number in the name signifies its powerful 132 horsepower engine. Designed for optimal performance, this machine features permanent hydrostatic 4-wheel drive and a lightweight structure, making it perfect for steep slopes. Test videos highlight how the SF132 confidently maneuvers inclines while maintaining efficiency. Behind the cab, the wrapping and net tying units ensure a neat and organized field. By moving about 1 kilometer forward and back, the field is left clean and prepared for harsh alpine winters. This innovative machine enhances agricultural efficiency, especially in challenging terrains, ensuring reliability in demanding conditions. Mini Gus, autonomous sprayer for vineyards and orchards. The Mini Gus is an autonomous sprayer designed for vineyards and orchards with dense plantings. It requires no driver, and one operator can manage up to 8 units simultaneously, greatly enhancing productivity. Powered by a 173 horsepower Cummins engine, it features a 1,554-liter tank and is equipped with 28 ceramic nozzles for standard spraying and 44 nozzles for specialized applications. Using GPS and advanced sensors, it navigates and adjusts the spray flow in real time. This electric assistant doesn't take breaks, weekends, or vacations, ensuring efficient, consistent work. Just make sure it doesn't water your neighbor's vineyard. The Bullmore forklift completes the versatile operation. Technocar CMRR, a mobile vehicle diagnostic center. The Technocar CMR is a state-of-the-art trailer that converts an articulated truck into a mobile vehicle inspection center. This innovative unit is capable of inspecting all road-approved vehicles, ensuring they meet safety and regulatory standards. Equipped with advanced technology, it conducts comprehensive brake system tests, examines the suspension, and scans the undercarriage using a wide-angle camera. An onboard computer automates all functions, requiring the operator to simply press Start. No more wasting time traveling to a service center. Now, certified experts can come directly to your location. This mobile diagnostic solution makes inspections faster, more efficient, and incredibly convenient. Would you trust a truck to inspect your vehicle? With the Technocar CMR, that's now possible. Plus, it features an integrated RVP refueling system, allowing your car to be serviced and refueled in one go. Efficiency and innovation come together in this game-changing mobile service. AirBP Refueler, Australia's first all-electric aircraft refueler. Designed specifically for Brisbane Airport, the AirBP Refueler is Australia's first fully electric aircraft refueling vehicle. In operation since 2022, it supplies Jet A1 aviation fuel efficiently and sustainably. Powered by high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, it operates throughout the day and recharges overnight. Its fuel tank holds approximately 16,000 liters, ensuring reliable service for a busy airport environment. Developed by industry leaders SEA Electric and Refuel International, this eco-friendly innovation reduces emissions, making airfield operations greener. Now, the only emissions at the airport come from the aircraft themselves. The maximum width of houses is 10 meters, and the maximum length is 22 meters. Sometimes it is necessary to divide a house into sections to fit it into a single lane. The larger houses may be separated into 3 or even 6 pieces for transportation. When relocating tall buildings alongside semi-trucks, a crane is used to ensure safety and precision. Easy Move's team makes the process seamless, ensuring that each new plot feels like home. With the help of experienced movers and specialized equipment, even the most challenging house relocations are completed smoothly. Whether you're moving a large or small house, Easy Moves ensures a stress-free experience, delivering homes to their new locations with care and efficiency. Their skilled team handles every step, making sure the relocation goes as planned, no matter the size or complexity of the move. 9. This cutting-edge machine boasts an impressive working width of up to 36 meters. Equipped with 4 wheels and hydrostatic drive, it moves with minimal soil compaction. Its height-adjustable frame is designed for rough terrains, ensuring uniform seating even on uneven ground. The central seat tanks hold up to 12,000 liters, reducing refill frequency and enhancing overall operational efficiency. Maestro brand seed metering units ensure precise seed placement and consistent planning depth, creating perfectly spaced rows as if measured with a ruler. With GPS and an advanced task planning system, the machine autonomously navigates the field, optimizing efficiency. Meanwhile, the operator can focus on other important tasks or simply relax in a rocking chair, marveling at the power of artificial intelligence in modern agriculture. Max X 2 Planner has been working efficiently in Brazil for several years. Developed by the Swedish company PLMA Forestry, it has gained significant popularity across South America. Mounted on a Buffalo King for W8x8 platform, this advanced planner can hold up to 30,000 seedlings, ensuring an optimal microclimate and humidity for growth. Equipped with 2 autonomous levers, it scans the soil and transmits data to its onboard computer, which determines whether planting is suitable. During testing, the Plant Max X2 demonstrated an impressive capability of planting 2,300 to 2,500 seedlings per hour while moving at an average speed of 15 meters per hour. This innovation is as precise as an experienced gardener carefully planting each tree, making it a game changer for large-scale reforestation efforts. 12. The Braun 585 trencher is highly regarded by construction professionals. Weighing between 42 and 45 tons, it can reach a maximum digging depth of 2.2 meters. The machine is powered by either a Cummins engine with 550 horsepower or a Cat engine with 536 horsepower. It features a fuel tank capacity of 814 liters and can achieve a top speed of 6.9 kilometers per hour. The operator's cabin is equipped with RS and FOPS rollover and falling object protection systems. The Braun 585's tracks include an automatic leveling system, providing reliable traction for enhanced safety and comfort. However, operators should remember that they are not in a comfortable living room, but inside the cabin of a powerful trencher designed for rugged work environments. The The Bron 585, the maximum width of houses is 10 meters, and the maximum length is 22 meters. Sometimes it is necessary to divide a house into sections to fit it into a single lane. The larger houses may be separated into 3 or even 6 pieces for transportation. When relocating tall buildings alongside semi-trucks, a crane is used to ensure safety and precision. Easy Move's team makes the process seamless, ensuring that each new plot feels like home. With the help of experienced movers and specialized equipment, even the most challenging house relocations are completed smoothly. Whether you're moving a large or small house, Easy Moves ensures a stress-free experience, delivering homes to their new locations with care and efficiency. The RSP machine is perfect for jobs where traditional machinery might damage the infrastructure. Designed for precision, it can efficiently vacuum particles up to 25 centimeters in size. Its powerful motors allow it to reach distances of up to 50 meters horizontally and 30 meters vertically, making it ideal for challenging environments. This advanced machine is widely used in construction, industrial cleaning, and excavation projects where precision and minimal disruption are essential. Unlike conventional equipment, the RSP ensures safe and efficient debris removal without compromising surrounding structures. With its innovative suction technology, the RSP enhances productivity while reducing the risk of damage, making it a preferred choice for professionals working in sensitive areas. Whether clearing debris from confined spaces or working near delicate structures, this machine provides These tractors are built to conquer steep slopes with ease, equipped with sliding axles and additional hydraulic stops. Designed to tackle difficult terrains, they are available in 3 models: the affordable M525X, the slightly pricier M535X, and the powerful M545X. All 3 have a similar structure, with the most budget-friendly version being sufficient for simpler tasks. These machines confidently navigate rough terrains with slopes up to 45 degrees, offering stability by expanding their base up to 6 meters. They operate at a consistent speed of 15 kilometers per hour and can work in places that other machines hesitate to approach. Whether you need a tractor for heavy-duty work or lighter tasks, these models provide a reliable solution for navigating challenging environments. The Agitator ED is designed to transport mortar through underground mines and tunnels with a capacity of up to 10 cubic meters. It is built on an electrodynamic platform that complies with regulatory standards, ensuring low emissions of carbon monoxide and gases. This makes it environmentally friendly and safe for use in confined spaces. The platform guarantees that emissions remain within permissible limits, promoting a cleaner and safer working environment. The Agitator ED is a reliable solution for efficiently transporting mortar in challenging underground conditions while minimizing its environmental impact. Its robust design and commitment to safety make it an ideal choice for operations requiring reliable, eco-friendly machinery in demanding workspaces. The L422i automated drilling rig is built to tackle some of the toughest challenges in mining. Designed for operation in tunnels as small as 4 meters high and 3.5 meters wide, this advanced machine delivers exceptional performance in confined spaces. Equipped with a powerful drill rod, the L422i can drill holes up to 54 meters deep, ensuring efficiency and precision in underground operations. One of its key advantages is its battery-powered functionality, which enhances sustainability by reducing emissions and improving energy efficiency. This state-of-the-art drilling rig is engineered to optimize productivity while maintaining safety standards in demanding mining environments. Its automated features streamline the drilling process, minimizing manual labor and maximizing output. With cutting-edge technology and a compact yet robust design, the L422i sets a new standard for mining equipment, making it an Stepping up to the Case IH Quadtrac 715, it's clear that this machine is designed for the most demanding jobs. With a power output of up to 778 horsepower, it delivers exceptional performance. Equipped with 4 tracks, it ensures superior off-road capability and stability. The 6-meter-wide tracks minimize soil pressure, making it ideal for various terrains. Under the hood, the FPT Cursor engine produces a maximum torque of 3,255 Newton-meters at 1,400 revolutions per minute. The massive fuel tank holds 1,968 liters, ensuring extended operation without frequent refueling. For comfort, the cab is mounted on a 4-point suspension system, providing a smooth ride. Visibility is enhanced with powerful LED headlights, delivering 25,420 lumens to light up the path ahead. The Quadtrac 715 is truly the Cadillac Escalade of agricultural machinery.